Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Python on your Windows PC. So first of all, open Google Chrome and type in the search box Python. Hit enter. And here on the very first link, you can see there is a link called downloads. Click on it. And here you can see there is a button called download Python 3.12.2. That is the latest version of Python available. Now, if you want to download it for any other operating system like Linux, macOS or any other operating system, you can go through these links. And also if you want to install some earlier versions of Python, then you can scroll down and here you can find all the available versions of Python that has ever been released. Now for now, we will install the latest version of Python. So when click on this button, and as you can see that download has been started as downloaded. So we'll click on this link and here you can see that it is asking to install Python, and that too it is 64-bit version. Now you have to check these two checkbox and click on install now. As you can see that Python has begun installing. So Python has been installed. Close it. Open command prompt to check if it has been installed properly. Type in here py and you can see that Python has been installed and working successfully. So thank you for now and see you in the next video.